A very warm welcome to this sixth film in our Fitting Out Floors and Ceiling series. In it, we explain how to construct a suspended ceiling with no visible joints. First, the position of the lower edge of the ceiling is determined, and galvanized steel perimeter trim rails are fitted to the wall at the appropriate height. Suspending hangers, also made of galvanized steel, are then plugged into the concrete ceiling in a grid pattern that matches the ceiling panel size. In the next step, steel underbattens are fixed in parallel lines to the hangers. With the Nonius system shown here, the battens are fixed in place by pushing the lower part of the hanger over the upper part. The height can then be set by inserting a security pin through the holes in the hanger. Load-bearing battens are then fixed at right angles to the underbattens. They are made of galvanized steel like the rest of the suspended ceiling substructure. The lower edge of the load-bearing battens and the wall connection profiles are at the same height. Sheets of plasterboard are then screwed into the load-bearing battens in either a single or a double layer, depending on the requirements. If the room is subject to particularly high moisture levels, such as a bathroom for example, then moisture-resistant plasterboard should be used. It has a special green lining paper for easy recognition. Once the plasterboard has been fitted, the joints and fixing screw indents are then filled. Finally, the uniform joint-free ceiling is painted. This is exactly how the suspended ceiling in the community centre at our Leipzig Provost Church was constructed. Summary: a suspended ceiling with no visible joints is constructed as follows. Perimeter trim rails on the walls set the ceiling height. Hangers plugged into the concrete ceiling take steel underbattens onto which load-bearing battens are then fixed at right angles. Sheets of plasterboard are screwed into the load-bearing battens. Joints and holes are filled and the surface is painted. Our next series of films looks at fitting out walls. We hope you'll be able to join us.